Something big's happening on the channel today. Gonna be kind of sad, but we'll give you guys some more info when we get there. That's the new rig on the channel right there.
The future of Mod Projects Garage.
It's gonna be Modded Projects RV. Did you just see that?
It's freaking crazy.
Oh no. Alright, you guys gotta check this thing out.
A lifted Chrysler 300. This is insane.
Hold on your window, I don't think you can see it. You gotta get
Off in the distance, you can see the Richardson Abbey. Is the Chevy guy converting? Nice thinking.
Just do a little walk around to the car here.
He's all the way in.
Maybe come and have a little bit more, yeah.
Perfect.
You gotta turn the other way.
Alright, thanks.
Can I get over here and get a hand in?
This is extremely difficult.
I'd help you out, but this is more entertaining.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Hold my
Sure,
shoulder.
something,
Give me
yeah.
some kind of.
Go like
When you
this.
try to get back in, it brings some butter.
There. Good thing it's got the fender stuck there.
Thanks, Burnley. That's the front. Goes all the way to the back.
It does. Holy crap. That's a big boy.
It's a big girl.
It's a
Straps
girl.
all hanging.
Yeah, let me unhook everything.
That's making me nervous.
Well, let's get the back out actually.
Yeah. Well, the back open
Dang.
up. I don't see a bow in it.
What?
I don't see a bow in it. Thing is wide.
Wide. Thing's long.
Wide and long. Where'd Stacy go? She should have drove it out.
Should be a nervous wreck. She's probably with the baby.
That one was for looks.
Yeah. One's just a little dink. That's probably what saved the whole unit.
Now that's some metal here. You can withstand a hailstorm even.
I'm sure it has. Probably seen one.
Oh boy. Pop the back door open and slide in.
Huh?
That's gonna be a little tricky. You can do it. There you go.
Oh man, I'm gonna just fall in.
Straight back.
Straight back.
Holy shit. Okay, go.
Cute. It's not pink.
It's cream white.
It's just like so cute. Dang, look at those. What's underneath it?
Huh?
What's on the back? Like, did those come off?
The hubcaps?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, they have to get the wheel off.
So cool. Oh my gosh, it smells like my grandma's basement.
Yeah, we got.
Wow, it smells just like it. Oh yeah, I can mom this. Well, this looks like grandpa's
Yeah.
ceiling.
Yeah, the same. Which is pretty sweet.
Dang.
It's gonna be cool.
I love the map light.
Kind of like a limo.
What's that?
Kind of like a limo because you can't quite see her face, but you can look up and see her.
Driver, Dad, let's go for. Mark, we got the kids in the back. Go ahead, drive. I didn't even get to drive it yet. You're chauffeuring. Don't break it down. Yeah, I think so. When that was going into park, I think I didn't start just because that has that neutral safety switch. And I don't think it was in park all the way or whatever.
So, you know, I'd open it, pull up on the front side of it.
Dad, you're supposed to open the door for her.
Dang, that breeze feels nice. This is cute. Like a little ledge.
Little. That's a ledge.
It's armrest. We take me to the
It's
market?
like a pencil mark.
Take me to the market.
Yep.
And I'll get my
Oh,
brown sack.
Show it. Did you leave the key in it? Here.
That's a nice steering wheel.
Doesn't it just feel so?
These windshield wipers look kind of odd though.
Yeah, I didn't even see if those work. Hopefully they do. Ready, Stace? Yeah. The monstrosity of the trunk.
Why did we need a Yukon?
You don't anymore. Probably got just as much room in here. Got the jack.
Our
What is
spare.
that?
It went around the, I think it went like around the manifold or something.
She's a little rusty.
No, that's a pad.
Oh,
That's just some other pad.
sweet. Yeah, it's pretty
Nice.
awesome. Pretty awesome.
Yeah,
So
all
what
the
is
doors.
this? Is that rust or
Yeah.
just crap?
Oh, it's like rust. This is like it dripping down and just that'll come off. Yeah, she needs a good washing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wash it in 100-degree weather.
Washing it tonight?
Yes, needs to get washed. The first drive for Stace.
What's the temperature outside?
Hot.
Hottest day of the year.
No, that's Tuesday. It's gonna be 109.
I maybe should have.
All right, guys. So that is it. The car is a 1965 Lincoln Continental. It's pretty much bone stock right now. I'm gonna do a video of the car here later. This is just kind of the video of us picking it up, getting it here. The vet is gone. They took the vet, and I got some cash on my end. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun car. So another video probably soon here. But yeah, it'll be a video on the 65. So thanks for watching. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. And if you guys want to see more of the Continental, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.